I will not keep quiet when Gloria, Senator Gloria is going through this kind of turmoil, political persecution of an alleged association. Today I'm here associating with Senator Onyonka, who is elected at the ODM ticket.
Yes.
But when we are conducting our activities as parliamentarians, we do not look at who is who in terms of political parties, because Parliament is very independent. You also cannot isolate Gloria from her community. You cannot say that Gloria, because now she's a nominated senator under UDA, she no longer associates with the Kisii community. She no longer associates with the Kisii leaders, whether they are from her party or not her party. And I think this is an erosion of what we call the nationalism. When you start associating leaders with who they marry, who they sing with over the weekend, which church they attend to, I think this is an erosion of our nationalistic ethos. And I am here to condemn the persecution, the harassment, the objectification of Senator Orwoba, Senator Gloria. And I stand with her as a woman, I stand with her as a mother. And I want to speak to my political party, UDA. UDA literally means Democratic Party. It is democracy within the democratic space for us to associate, for us to advocate, for us to stand for Kenyans. I think they should start with themselves.
Yes.
Because you have allowed Raila Odinga to be on the presidential jets. How many times?
Yes.
Raila Odinga keeps saying that you are not in a coalition with him. He keeps denying you William Ruto, my president. He keeps denying you in church. He denies you in funerals. But we still see you with him traveling using the national helicopters, yes, the presidential jets. If there's anybody who should actually be chased out of the party, it is you. Yes, because you are the one who has led this whole thing. And then now you're just zeroing down on one little girl whose mission is just to provide sanitary towels to the destitute and very humble children, vulnerable kids, which you actually ideally should provide, and you have failed. Just that because she has decided to align herself with her community so that she can appeal to the community to get a seat, like I do with my people in Gathoni. And then you're all over now writing disciplinary letters, promising and threatening to evict her from the party. And so we are saying, stop it, UDA, stop it. Stop harassing women parliamentarians. Stop harassing Gloria. She's just a daughter of the party. She should be adopted, she should be guided and mentored, but not harassing to that level.